What's up, guys? Eric here, Traveling Trading. We're gonna do a quick little recap video here. What's today? It's Tuesday, middle of October. What we're gonna do here is just kind of touch on a few different things that I wanted to just kind of go over with you guys. Market's been crazy slow, but even with it being crazy slow, still making a couple $100, maybe even a little over 1,000. Throughout the days, but that's perfectly fine. This is the normal time. Hopefully towards the end of this week and next week, you'll start to pick up a little bit before it starts getting hot again. That's usually how it goes. This is usually the cooling off period of the market. Different earnings are coming out and stuff like that. A lot of big pharma and stuff like that is happening. So, things getting approved, things getting declined, stuff like that. So that's normal. So this right now is usually a good time to start scaling back the amount of times you're trading and focus on, learning, developing new strategies that you want to test out once the market maybe changes or, gets better. You got ample opportunity to start learning and sharpening your skills right now until the market starts getting hot again. And then every day a new play is happening dramatically. And now you're, scrambling to try to get as much gains as you can, but you can't because you should have studied. So use this time wisely, even though it's down. Still definitely a lot of different opportunity to make some money there. So keep that in mind. So what we'll do is we'll recap this plays that I did today. What I wanted to touch on too is how you're gonna know what is a solid play. And a perfect example will be of today. There's different things that you should know to, be able to determine like, hey, this is a good trade. I can blindly just jump into this and, for sure, more than likely get some gains. And we'll talk about pretty much how that, will play out. And then, another thing we're going to touch on, I wanted to give you guys one of my strategies that I used. This strategy helped me out a lot. And it took me a while to learn this and kind of discover like how to use it. I used to get killed. I'm going to talk about a particular sector I used to get destroyed in, especially when I tried to learn like trading penny stocks and stuff like that. It took me a couple years, but eventually I was able to develop a strategy and master it, get better at it. And, it works, far more often than none. So I'll cover that little strategy here with you guys. I don't even, go over the strategy anywhere else, but I'm gonna do it here for you guys. So you can hopefully put this tool in your tool belt, try it out, see how you like it, and kind of go from there. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this stuff here and keep at it.